This is science for Friday, 8/14. So we are going to be going over your study guide. So go ahead and get your study guide out. Pause the video if you need to. And we're going to go over it together. And your test is on Tuesday. So go ahead and write your name at the top. And then write test Tuesday, August 18th, I think, is Tuesday. So look whatever Tuesday is, and it's that date, okay? So I know in my videos I have seemed a little bit off, but I was supposed to be videoing at the school, but there was a storm, power was out and everything, so I had to grab everything and come home. So I feel like I'm here without things that I need, like to tell you the exact date and different things like that. So, but just look, it's Tuesday of next week. I believe it is the 19th though, okay? But go ahead and just put Tuesday on there and know it's next Tuesday. All right, so number one, what are 1/4 of all the animals in the world? Our note card actually worded it as 1/4. 1/4 and 1/4 is the same thing. So what is 1/4 of all the animals in the world? Beetles, very good job. What can a bug not do? A bug cannot do something. What can a bug not do? It cannot chew its food. Number 3, how many legs does a spider have? You all know a spider has 8 legs. Number 4, how many body parts does an insect have? An insect has 3 body parts. Number 5, what is a young insect which looks like adults called? Remember how the praying mantis, the baby praying mantis, looks just like the grown adult praying mantis? And they are called nymphs. N-Y-M-P-H-S. Number 6, what is a clue that shows that an insect is a beetle? Remember what that clue is? That straight line running down the abdomen. That's the clue that it is a beetle. A straight line running down the abdomen. Number 7, what insect is so long and narrow and so well camouflaged that it can be mistaken for a twig? And I actually just spoke about this insect, the praying mantis. Very good. What are beetle larvae called? Remember what a beetle larva is called? Grubs. Very good. Number 9, what are harmless insects which closely resemble harmful insects protected by? Remember the viceroy and the monarch butterflies? They're protected by mimicry. M-I-M-I-C-R-Y. Mimicry. M-I-M-I-C-R-Y. Number 10, what is it called when insects move from one place to another with the changing seasons? What is that called? Migrate. Very good. Number 11, what characteristic can describe a bee? They have 2 pairs of wings. Very good. Number 12, what bee is the only one who stings? The female bee. Good job. Number 13, what is the female bee called that mates and lays eggs? She is the queen bee. Good job. Number 14, what is the sweet liquid called that flowers use to attract insects? Very good. It is nectar. Number 15, what bee hibernates? Very good. The bumblebee queen does. Number 16, what insect mimics bees? Do you remember this one? The drone fly. Good job. Number 17, what is the male bee called? He is called a drone. Number 18, what are 3 reasons why insects seem to disappear in the late fall? So some die. So I'm going to give you several. Some migrate. Remember we talked about some hibernate. And some live in a hive. So they just seem to disappear. Next, choose the answer answers from the list below. So, this flower looks like a daisy with yellow ray flowers and brown disc flowers. Okay, so the ray flowers on the outside are yellow, the disc flowers on the inside are brown. Remember what that one is called? These are one of my favorites. Black-eyed Susan, the black-eyed Susan. This plant is often confused with goldenrod. Its pollen causes hay fever for some people. Remember what that plant is? Ragweed. Good job. Number 21. What flower reminded its namers of an eye because it closes at night and opens at dawn? Remember what that was? That was the daisy. Number 22. What autumn flower has more than one flower head per stem? And its ray flowers range in colors from blue to purple to white. And I'll even add on there, the name of the flower means star. Aster, very good, aster. Number 23, what plant has prickly leaves and stem, but a fragrant purple flower head? Remember, it's prickly and sticky. That would be the thistle. Thistle, very good. Number 24, explain a food chain. In your answer, tell what a food chain usually begins with and explain the term predator. Use, everybody say use, complete, say complete, sentences, say sentences. So this is like your first essay question. So your answer could sound something like this. You can write my exact answer down, pause the video and listen again and write it down, the exact answer. I just need to make sure that you are writing in complete sentences, that each sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with a period, and that your information is correct. Okay? So here we go. A food chain is a series of plants and animals, each depending on the next for food. A food chain usually begins with a green plant because only green plants can make their own food. Each food chain includes predators, animals that capture and feed on other animals. And something like that would be your answer. Okay? Look at our insects below. Label the bumblebee, the honeybee, and the yellow jacket. The first one is the yellow jacket. The next one is the honeybee. And the last one is that glorious bumblebee. And then on the back we have some more insects. Write the kind of bug under each one. That first bug is a fly. The next one is a true bug. Very good. Then we have a bee. Then we have a beetle. Then we have a spider and a butterfly. Very, very good job. Go back over your answers real quick. Do a little bit of studying before you put this up. If you wanted to be really quite impressive, you could make some study cards if you wanted. But just be sure that you are ready for your test on Tuesday.